The penis is a significant organ in the male body, and most men are obsessed with the size, the shape, the length of their penis. In fact, some can go as far as consuming dick enlargement drugs or even dick enlargement creams just to enhance the length of their penis, not knowing that the penis can shrink. As men grow older, they tend to battle with penis shrinkage. Hi there, my name is Pep and I am a registered nurse BNSC. On this channel, we'll talk about nursing lifestyle vlogs, feminine health and everything in between. And in this video, I'll be highlighting 6 things that can reduce the penis length. So if you have a husband, a boyfriend, a brother, a father, come close. Watch this video till the end. The first thing that can reduce the size of your penis is weight gain. So let me share a secret with you guys. Females can tell you if a guy has a big dick or a small one without even going inside their trousers. Ask me how. This is just according to body size. So it is fact that slim men are most likely to have a bigger manhood compared to the fatter ones, and this is due to fat around their abdomen, which hinders the penis from growing, limiting its visibility and also making it appear shorter. Okay, Mr. Femi, I know you are checking down there already, but hold on. This cannot categorically tell you the cause of penis shrinkage, but when men increase their body size, it gives them a sense of owning a shorter penis just because of fat deposits in their abdomen. Hence, it is good to maintain healthy weight and stay in shape. Number 2 is smoking. So when an individual smokes, a chemical is being deposited into their blood vessel, which can affect the penis and also restrict blood flow to the penis. And this can also cause, or this can lead to, erectile dysfunction, which is inability to maintain an erection. I know this is not the first time you are hearing the adverse effects of smoking, so if I were you, I'll quit smoking. But 3 is prostate surgery. So studies have shown that men who undergo prostatectomy often get reduced penis, and this is according to International Journal of Impotence Research. So it is believed that this in particular is due to the shortening of the urethral tube during prostatectomy. This tube is being connected to the urethra. Number 4 is aging. As men age, they tend to accumulate fat in their artery, leading to reduced blood circulation and also affecting the penis. So it is like this: the fat deposits weakens the erectile tube's muscle cell, which is responsible for carrying blood to the penis, which gives it a length and firmness during an erection. 5 is Peyronie's disease. This is a condition whereby the penis develops an extreme curvature, which makes intercourse painful or even impossible. This condition can reduce the length of your penis and also the girth of the penis. Also note that surgery to remove this scar tissue causing Peyronie disease can also lead to shortening of the penis. Number 6 is medication. Some medications like Adderall, Freasteroid, and Dutasteroid, used for people with enlarged prostates, can lead to shortening of the penis, reduced sensation, and even sexual dysfunction. So it is important you discuss the medications you are taking with your healthcare practitioner, know the side effects and also the mode of action of these drugs before you take them. Don't just consume any drug just because it is being recommended for you. Another bonus point is that there is a regular saying of use it or you lose it. This is related to the decrease in length of the penis. So when you stop having erections, when you stop indulging in sexual activities, the elastic tissue that stretches the penis becomes flaccid, and this can cause the penis to lose its elasticity. So if the penis loses its elasticity, it won't stretch when you get an erection, and when it does not stretch when you have an erection, you will then notice you have lost penile length. So guys and girls, men and women, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video very helpful, do well to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Like and drop a comment down below. Turn on post notifications so each time I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so this is where I say goodbye and see you in my next video. Bye guys.